So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say what I want to do is I want to change the color of this door to blue. In that case, you can go ahead and utilize something called the color replacement brush tool under the pixel tool right here. So if I were to go around over here under pixel, then around over here you can see the brush tool, and I can go ahead and select the color replacement brush tool right here. So now I can simply go ahead and select out blue color right here, or I can go ahead and select out blue from over here as well as I want. And then what I can simply do is click right here, and it'll take a sample of the door color, and you can go ahead and draw around, and you can see that the blue color is replaced. But let me just press Ctrl Z because it is actually not working that well. So here what you can do is change the brush size. You can go around and change the let's say for example the flow of it. You can even go ahead and change, let's say for example, the range of it right here. So as I do that, what happens is that more range will be selected as I were to change these settings right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z, and as I select more range, you can see that it's actually changing this red color as well. The brick, it's a bit red, so that is changing out as well. So now what you can do for this is, let's say for example, change around the harshness right here, just like this, and just go around and then draw around over here. So you can go around over here just like this and draw around. You can even actually go ahead right here, zoom in, and then draw around right here just like this to go ahead and change around the color. So you can see that I can simply go ahead and change the door color to blue right here just like this. So you can see that this is what you have right here. You can go ahead and change it in right here just like this, and then make a few adjustments and get the door color as you want right here. And that is how you can simply go ahead and use the color replacement tool. So you want to replace out other things right here like this one, so you can simply go ahead and choose other color and replace it out right here. So you can go ahead and make it red, let's say for example right here, as per how you want. And that is simply what you have. So you want to go ahead and replace out any particular color in Affinity or in pictures, then you can simply go ahead and utilize out the color replacement brush tool just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.